Back to video 3 here for module 6. We're looking at introduction to logarithmic functions, except so far all we've done is explore this what power function. Okay, but the good news is that the what power function is the logarithmic function. Okay, so when you see these logarithms, you can think of these as what power base 2 of 8 equals 3, right? Or what power of 3 gives you 9, and the answer is 2, right? So we can do all these same problems here using logarithms. So in other words, this right here is asking 6 to what power gives us 36. That's what this is asking right here. Okay, and so that's answer is 2, right? So why don't you go ahead and stop the video, try some of these problems here on your own to see how far you can get. Okay? Okay. So again, hopefully you pause the video. It's really important that you do that because it gives you extra practice and stuff. So let's take a look at these. Again, log, remember, is just this what power function. So we want to know what power of 2 gives you 32. So 2 to what power gives you 32? And the answer there is 5. Okay. 10 to what power gives you 1,000? That'll be 3. Again, just like this, answering that question. 42 to what power gives you 1? And the answer for that is 0. Okay. 100 to what power gives you 0.01? Well, again, here it might be helpful to rewrite this 0.01 as the fraction 1/100th. Or maybe even more so, it'll be helpful to rewrite that as 100 to the negative first, right? Because when you have 1 over a 100, that's the same thing as 100 to the negative 1, like that. And so the answer here then is negative 1. Okay? Same thing here for this log base 2 of 1/4. In other words, what power of 2 gives you 1/4? So 2 to the what power equals 1/4. Okay? Rewrite again that 1/4 as 4 to the negative 1. But again, 4 is a power of 2. So we can then rewrite that as 2 to the 2 to the negative 1, which then would be 2 to the question mark equals 2 to the negative 2. Like that, right? Multiply those two powers together. So the answer here is negative 2. All right? And so we'll continue here with some of these in here in exercise 10, looking at the values we want to compute. So, same kind of deal. Again, just pause the video, go ahead and try. 10a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m. Go ahead and try all those, okay? And I'll go through them here. Okay, so we actually already did log base 2 of 32 right up here. It's just 5, so, 5, right? And the reason for that is because 2 to the 5th equals 32. In general, if you have a logarithm, log base b of a equals x, like that, the exponential form, the equivalent exponential form is b to the x equals a. Okay, so b to this power gives you a, right? So these are equivalent ways to write the same thing. This is logarithmic form, this is exponential form. Okay? So let's continue on. Log base 3 of 81. That is the same thing as saying, so again, we don't know what it is, right? So we'll say 3 to what power gives you 81? Well, again, 3 squared is 9. 3 to the 3rd is 27. And 3 to the 4th is 81. So 4. Okay. 9 to what power gives you 81? This is just 2. 5 to what power is 625? Well, again, 5 squared is 25. 5 cubed is 125. 5 to the 4th is 625. So 4. Okay. For this one right here, okay, it's again power of 10, and you can just see the number of zeros, right? So there's 9 zeros there, so this is going to be 9. 10 to what power gives you this 1 trillion, I think? Okay? Or 1 billion, I mean. Okay, and the answer is 9.